everyone, welcome back to Dimma's World. Today we are making a super soft, moist and delicious banana bread using simple ingredients. It's easy and beginner friendly. So my loves, let's get right into it. Firstly, I'm using a very ripe bananas. The riper they are, the more sweeter and flavorful your banana bread will be. So I'm peeling and placing them in a bowl, and I'm actually using 4 fingers of ripe banana. You can actually use more than 4 if you like. So now I'm smashing the banana until it is smooth, although you can leave a few small chunks if you like. So this is exactly how I want my own texture to be, okay? Next, I'm adding sugar. You can adjust it depending on how sweet your bananas are. Next, I poured in oil. You can also use a melted butter if you want a richer taste. After that, I added in my liquid milk. You can as well substitute it with yogurt if you prefer. So next is to add in your flavors, and I added in banana flavor and vanilla flavor. So next is to add in your eggs, and I'm using 3 eggs for this recipe. So the eggs actually serve as a binding agent, okay? Once you are done adding, go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. And at this point, the mixture should be smooth and creamy, alright? Once that is done, it is time to add in the dry ingredients. So I added in flour, baking powder, baking soda and milk flavor, just to give it that rich taste, okay? So guys, before we continue, give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? And if you are coming across the channel for the first time, you are welcome once again to Dimma's World. Please hit that subscribe button and be part of this family, alright? So once you are done adding in your dry ingredients, sift everything to remove unwanted particles. So after that, gently combine everything together until there is no trace of dry ingredients. Please, at this point, you don't need to overmix your batter, okay? You have to be very gentle while mixing everything together. I will be dropping the full recipe in the description box below. Please make sure you check it out, okay? Once I'm done mixing, I added in my dry fruits. This is totally optional. It is not compulsory, okay? I just decided to add it on my own. So after mixing, my batter is ready, as you can see. So next is to pour the batter into my already greased baking pan. Please always make sure that your pan is well greased to avoid your cake sticking into the pan, okay? After that, tap the pan gently to remove air bubbles. So finally, I'm adding some cashew nuts on top as toppings. This gives the banana bread a nice crunch and extra flavor. And after that, transfer into your already preheated oven for at least 15 minutes to 1 hour on a low heat. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. This step is very important because it helps the banana bread set properly and makes slicing easier. So after minutes of cooling, I finally removed it from the pan. As you can see, our banana bread is well baked and is ready for consumption. Now I'm slicing into it because some people are already waiting to munch on it. Just look at how soft and moist it is on the inside. Absolutely perfect. Honestly, this banana bread is perfect for breakfast, snacks or tea time. And the best part is it is made with simple ingredients you already have at home. The flavor is so rich and delicious with that natural sweetness from the ripe bananas, and the slight crunch from the cashew nut on top just takes it to another level. Honestly, this is one recipe you would like to make over and over again. It's easy, reliable, and always comes out amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more easy recipes. Also turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video, okay? Bye for now, and I will see you in my next video.